Racing on rims. I need to put me some rims on that Caprice so I could I need to put some rims on that Caprice. Right lane for the win, y'all. And a couple whoppers at the end. Building up that boost. Damn. Yeah, that thing got some. Damn. You make the whole bed shake when that thing shifts.
That's what I told you. Yeah. I shouldn't have worked
my 4-wheel drive launch, yeah. Big boys and small guys. Yeah, you think you could have got out there? Hell no. That's too old. You young. Let's see what we got over here, y'all. What's up, dog? I'll take the right line since he got a camera. He ain't got no tires, though. Left side bought some tires. That's crazy. Look out. I don't know. Ain't this gonna be crazy, y'all? What side y'all got? Scrapper. Yeah. That truck didn't look violent enough. Where you at? That was his best pass a while ago?
That was the second one. Right line. So last night he was hooking up. First hit he didn't hook up. Then he hooked up, took him to 330.
Oh, okay. I put that last hit. I ain't see last night. Hell, they finna race today. So shit, that's all he got today. Scrapper gonna come with something harder than that every time. Alright, y'all. This is Extreme Raceway Park. All the people that's on TikTok, y'all can check out my YouTube channel for HD widescreen. It's called Lookout Racing. Look out, look out. Y'all can learn all about the tracks I go to and all that. Yeah, got the track name and the title and everything. Hey, Circle of Life, thank you. Circle of Life then switched over. Ah, man. Okay. It look like once it come on good, but shit, they gotta get it to come on. Look out. Man, I'm tired, man. I don't know. We gonna get it on though. I had shut it down yesterday at the track, y'all. Whooped their ass on feet. Thought they could mess with me. Had to get to the money. Turned up with that super fuel. Okay, look at this big tire thing right here. was he trying to blow it up, bro? I swear to God, I wanted to say, right at the burnout, he sound like one of them rev limiter hitting mother lovers. But he had started the burnout, and then he do that. I wish I would have said it. I wish I would have said it. Because he just hit the rev limiter all the way down the track, y'all. I ain't never seen nobody do that. He ain't even care. He was just like, blow it up. I wish he would blow. He just held that thing on the rev limiter all the way down the... Boy. What? Did it blow? Oh, everybody looking. Nah, he made it around the return road. They ended the track this morning, I think 7:15. Yeah. Yeah, it is something. What?
It's about red. See right there? It turned.
Man, he didn't wreck. Oh, he did wreck.
Run.
Man. Man, I ain't finna, I got house shoes on. I ain't finna run down there. Damn. Oh. He wrecked. Damn, I wonder if his gas pedal was...
He must have went to the gravel pit.
I wonder if his gas pedal was stuck.
He was leaking some shit earlier. He didn't get to make his first.
Damn, he done wrecked, y'all. What the fuck? Man. Oh, I need something to ride down there. I can ride down there. Hold on, y'all. Let me get something to ride down there. Hey, TikTokers, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Whose shit I'ma use? Whose shit is that right there? I don't know. Hey, Lo! I ain't right. Whose is this? I need something to ride. Hey, who is that? Hold on. Let me see. Get his shit. Hold on. Hey, look out. Look out. I need to see what's going on down there. I need to see your bike.
The battery dead. What do you want to get?
Oh, man, I got a pedal?
Yeah.
I don't want a pedal. Yeah, they wrecked, I think. Let me see. Hey, Lorenzo. I need to see that. I need to go down there and see what happened. It got some battery life in it. Okay, I'll be right